is the BMW iX5. It represents the all-new generation of BMW X5, joining the new BMW era. You can experience the all-new BMW iX5 with the 6th generation of BMW battery electric drive. The all-new BMW X5 with BMW plug-in hybrid drive. And the all-new BMW X5 with advanced internal combustion engine drivetrains. So join us. Here's everything about this striking new presence and about the figures behind it, like a top electric driving range of up to 845 kilometres or a top system power of 450 kilowatts among the model range. I'll show you the big step up the new BMW X5 takes in terms of comfort features and how it represents BMW's new way of driver orientation, vehicle interaction and entertainment. And you'll learn how the dynamics, performance, control and advanced driver assistance systems of the new BMW X5 show yet another all-new facet of BMW driving pleasure. Take a look at this. The whole front comes alive to welcome you. Different models in their own ways and according to your preferences. If you ask me, an excited welcome by my car is just right for me. What's your perfect way to start the drive in your BMW? Tell us in the comments. Let's start with a closer look at how the BMW X5 interprets the new BMW design language. It's the new icons that immediately catch our eye. The three-dimensional kidney, shining of course with BMW iconic glow, within the wide horizontal model-specific light signature. I don't think I have to spell out what this design stands for, which the LED headlights show depending on the light setting. The clear frontal features with wide stance give a strong impression of confidence and presence. As ever, the bumper design characterises the different models most prominently, but the difference is less in terms of drive technology. You decide between a well-balanced strength and elegance in the standard exterior, or more athletic ambition and forward motion in the M Sport package. Of course, BMW M would never forget some exclusive sporty design features for the new BMW X5 M Performance models. All features of the M Sport Package Pro are equipped as a standard for them, so they show this larger horizontal black area and a unique reduced light signature, including the M logo. And what could be a more fitting nod to a bit of motorsport feeling than the headlight icon being available as these M yellow lights? We see more BMW M updates from here too. The M-specific mirror caps with the M colours. From the side is where the robust SUV character of the new BMW X5 really shows itself. At the same time, it appears elegant. A long, dynamic silhouette and the classic square wheelhouses are the BMW X staples, but in a new context. The most powerful proportions are certainly created with 23-inch wheels, which are now optionally available. More wheels from 21 through to 23-inch in size give you a wide choice from sportier to a more elegant design. With grey pine metallic, Vancouver green metallic, and a huge BMW individual offer of metallic and frozen finish shades, the exterior colour palette offers new possibilities to underline the individual expression of each new BMW X5. If you've been paying attention, you know we like to talk about the smooth sides of the new BMW models. The doors on the new BMW X5 aren't even interrupted by any kind of door handles. Instead, you manually open and close the doors with these winglets. They feature soft close as standard. So not just as a detail, they are a perfect combination of elegant design and sophisticated technology. They create an all-new side view, don't they? And I haven't even shown you my favourite new feature. The doors open completely touchless. This is the solid stance of a BMW SUV as seen from behind. It's a very wide appearance, and the long tail lights staging the BMW emblem between them are unmistakable. They present a new model-specific light design, just like on the front. In the same way, the front is matched with an individual rear bumper for different models. It's designed either with a wide, elegantly framed body colour surface or a bold diffuser. The plug-in hybrid drive of the BMW X5 M60e xDrive boasts the typical quad tailpipes. Coming back to the doors, the big progress in practicality and comfort of the new BMW X5 makes itself known already from where I'm standing now. I'm walking up to the driver's door, I've got my BMW Digital Key Plus on me, and voila! Oh, and have you spotted the ceremonial light carpet? That's the other part of the welcome light orchestration, and it's designed specific to the model. The automatic doors we've known as one of the most precious BMW features are now optionally available for the new BMW X5. I can close my door just stepping on the brake, I can control them from the central display, and I can even use my voice to let my family in. Hey BMW, open the rear left door, please. But I'm getting ahead. Let's take in this atmosphere first. Inside as well, another embodiment of the new BMW design. All airy and welcoming, with the wide dashboard area and the calm structures. This accent bar with integrated ambient light is individual to the new BMW X5. Doesn't its lighting feel especially organic and enhance the overall wraparound impression? You set the mood, of course, with your personal adjustments. The brightness from the panoramic glass roof stretching all over the interior comes as standard, as does opening the front part. And there is the BMW Panoramic iDrive, characterising the new generation in terms of driver experience and user experience, just like in the design. The BMW Panoramic Vision display, the central display in free-cut design, the sports steering wheel with Shy-Tech control elements, and the 3D head-up display make up the new perfect driver engagement. These standard displays show just the right information when and where you need it. As the passenger, on the other hand, you enjoy your own user experience with the BMW Operating System X. The central display is within easy reach, and you have your own view of the BMW Panoramic Vision from here. Beyond that, the new BMW X5 offers a second individual entertainment interface on the optional BMW passenger screen. It doesn't just integrate beautifully into the sculptural design on the dashboard. Sitting in the passenger seat, you can enjoy the whole offer of entertainment apps on it without disturbing the driver. This includes audio and video streaming, gaming, and even video calls. When the driver looks at it, the BMW passenger screen deactivates automatically to ensure driving safety. The mobile data for the entertainment apps on the BMW passenger screen, just like for the central display, are included in the BMW Digital Premium offer. Or you can provide an internet connection through your personal mobile device or hotspot. Did you catch me earlier? The vehicle interaction is not all about touch control. There's the new natural dialogue-orientated vehicle interaction with the BMW Intelligent Personal Assistant, enhanced by Amazon Alexa Plus AI technology. The ergonomics of this cockpit would be nothing without these. As driver and co-driver in the new BMW X5, you sit comfortably and well supported as ever in the standard sports seats or in the optional multifunctional seats. And to bind the experience together in your personal style and taste, there is a range of harmoniously curated interior designs available, from Vaganza to BMW individual leather merino with Alcantara. The features of the BMW individual clear and bold option add that certain precious sparkle. Another premiere are the natural look and feel of these functional control surfaces made from real slate. Comfortable seating in seamless design makes the rear feel spacious and snug at the same time, and there is ample knee, head and shoulder room. These features add more travelling comfort, controlling your part of the optional 4-zone climate control on this touch display. As standard, you can mount, for example, your tablet to the travelling comfort system and plug it in. And for the first time, you can charge your phone on an additional wireless charging tray. And back there, well, obviously, the new BMW X5 is the practical SUV we know and love. Optional trailer tow hitch included. In the new BMW iX5, you'll find additional luggage space under the bonnet. Over the next years, the new BMW X5 will keep adding new ways to answer one question: what drives your inspiration? Perfect balance and versatility are hallmarks of the driving experience in a modern BMW SUV. The foundation for that, across the new BMW X5 model range, is laid with adaptive suspension, or optionally, with adaptive chassis control, 2-axle air suspension, and integral active steering. Several new BMW X5 models combine these with the power, precision, and efficiency of BMW's 6-cylinder petrol or diesel engine drivetrains, with 48-volt mild hybrid technology. The all-new BMW iX5 is going to add the electric drive, vehicle control and charging technology of the 6th BMW eDrive generation in a range of variants. To start with, in the BMW iX5 60 xDrive, the Heart of Joy and the BMW Dynamic Performance Control are applied to a drivetrain of 2 electric motors with a maximum power output of 425 kilowatts and a high-voltage battery with 141 kilowatt hours of energy content. This enables driving up to 845 kilometers with the BMW dynamics, agility and smoothness of the new era. The new BMW X5 M60e xDrive is one of 2 available plug-in hybrid models. It doesn't just combine a 6-cylinder petrol engine with 2 electric motors and powerful BMW high-voltage battery technology, which ensures flexible and efficient city commuting and long-distance travel. As a BMW M Performance model, it adds ambitious dynamics through adaptive M chassis control or optional adaptive M chassis control professional, M Sport differential and M Sport brakes. In numbers, that's a maximum system power output of 450 kilowatt and an acceleration from 0 to 100 kilometers in 4.5 seconds. All in all, the solutions the new BMW X5 offers for your personal life and driving style really just vary in their approach to a technologically versatile future. What they all have in common is their outcome for you, the evolved confidence of a BMW SUV and a new experience of driving pleasure. We're looking forward to your feedback in the comments. Which new BMW X5 are you most excited for? It goes without saying that the new BMW iX5 60 xDrive also offers the advanced 800-volt charging technology of the new generation of BMW battery electric vehicles. At a DC charging station, it offers a new BMW Best with up to 460 kilowatts of charging power. In terms of driving range gained, we're talking about over 350 kilometers in just 10 minutes. At home, with the powerful and convenient BMW home charging equipment, and at public AC charging stations, you can charge the new BMW iX5 with a maximum charging power of 11 kilowatts, or 22 kilowatts with a charging professional option. The option also allows you to benefit from bi-directional charging using the BMW Wallbox Professional. This way, the high-voltage battery of the new BMW iX5 can serve as an energy storage for your home, or you can integrate your vehicle into the energy market and contribute to reduce CO2 emissions. And how do you keep an overview of this host of flexible charging possibilities? You manage them using the connected charging features in the My BMW app and the BMW Panoramic iDrive. They are part of the BMW Maps navigation system, which helps you plan your trips and find your way seamlessly, safely and smartly in the new user interface. Talking about more seamless safety and convenience in the new BMW X5 leads us back to its driving technology and the BMW's advanced driver assistance systems. BMW's symbiotic drive approach creates the most comfortable, intuitive interaction between driver and vehicle. As the name says, you work together effortlessly with the assistance. It supports you without getting in the way. Would you have thought driving a BMW could be even more fun? For example, the Highway Assistant allows you to take your hands off the wheel up to 130 kilometers per hour, including lane changes. This and other optional features are available as BMW Connected Drive upgrades, like the City Assistant for assisted stop and go at traffic lights. Parking as well is just a breeze with the improved, intuitively controlled optional Parking Assistant Plus. Even more so if you have the optional Parking Assistant Professional and control it remotely with your smartphone. There's so much to be excited about in the new BMW X5. So much beauty, so many possibilities, so much comfort, fun and adventure. Just so much BMW. So hopefully you're feeling inspired, and see you next time.